Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you guys how I use rice water for hair growth. But the first thing is to prepare the rice water. So I have a handful of rice. You can use any rice of your choice, and I am going to wash the rice really quick. The reason why I am doing this is because the rice is dirty and you don't want to throw all those dirt into your hair, so it is better for you to wash it at least once. Then I am going to throw out the dirty water from the rice. To our already washed rice, I am going to pour some clean water. Let me just say about 3 cups of water. And then I am going to add 5 drops of peppermint oil, and the reason why I am doing this is because rice water after fermentation has some very bad smell, so peppermint oil can combat the smell of the rice water. So you can cover that and let that stay for 3 days. So I have already made rice water that I'm going to use for today's video. So just shake that properly so that the sediments can mix with the water, and then in a clean pot pour some of the rice water. Allow it to come to a boil and then turn off the cooker. The next part is our aloe vera juice. With a freshly washed aloe vera, cut off the sides as I am doing in the video. Then cut the middle part into big chunks and take off the peel of the aloe vera plant. Just the peel, take it off, because what we will be needing in this video is the jelly inner part of the aloe vera. That is what we'll be using for our aloe vera juice. In a clean blender, throw in those aloe vera gel and blend it to a smooth consistency. Add a little amount of water, like 2 to 3 tablespoons of water will do. So add the aloe vera juice to our cooling rice water. At this point, the rice water should have a lukewarm temperature. Then pour this mixture into your spray bottle. It is ready for application. So to apply the rice water, the first thing we are going to do is to spray our scalp with this rice water. Spray it into your scalp and let your scalp absorb every bit of the rice water mixture. If your hair is in its natural afro state, not braided like mine, section your hair so that every part of your scalp can enjoy the ingredient in this rice water. Then the next step is our strands. After you have coated your scalp with this rice water, now go to your strand. Do it section by section. Make sure that every single strand of hair on your head absorbs and enjoy the benefits of this rice water. Do it in section as I am doing in the video. Rice water is good for hair growth, for length retention, and to darken your natural hair. So I do this every week or every other week depending on my schedule. Now the next step is to massage your scalp, and I know you're thinking in your mind, what has massaging scalp have to do with rice water? Let me tell you something, sister. Massaging your scalp daily leads to increment in blood circulation, and this will lead to more hair growth and hence length retention. So do not sleep on massaging your scalp at least 10 minutes daily. Now throw in your shower cap or your plastic bag, anyone is okay. And finally, tie your hair with a satin scarf or a silk scarf or any scarf of your choice so as to trap in heat and moisture into your cuticles. So guys, this is the process I use for my rice water. I know a lot of you are curious to know why I boiled the rice water after fermenting it. And the reason why I did that is because I have a low porosity hair and it's very difficult for stuffs to penetrate my hair cuticles. So I boiled the rice water so that it can be lukewarm by the time I apply it. I make sure it's cooled down a bit, but not cold, just lukewarm temperature, and then I applied it to my hair. So right now my hair is so soft and so lush. My very first time of using rice water was a disaster. In fact, I promised myself I was never going to use it anymore. And do you know why? Because after I applied rice water, my hair became so strong, like rock. Like I could not even comb my hair. My hair was so strong. I realized that my hair grew. Like I saw some length retention, some inches, but what is the point of your hair growing while it's so strong and stiff? So I was just like, this rice water is not for me, until I started adding aloe vera. Adding aloe vera. So now aloe vera has moisturizing properties. That moisturizing property will combat the stiffness that rice water gives to your hair, because you know rice water is a protein treatment. It's meant to strengthen your hair, but it's good for your hair to be straightened. But when your hair is too strong, it will be very difficult for you to manipulate, and therefore it will break more. So I started using aloe vera. I add aloe vera to it so that aloe vera can give me some sleep, while rice water will do the job of straightening my strands and the length retention and everything. So this is just everything about rice water. Are you going to try rice water? Trust me, you need to try it. At least you need to see for yourself if it's going to work for you. And guys, I know this is the end of the video, but did you subscribe yet? Did you subscribe yet to my YouTube channel? Please, have you done that? The subscribe button is the red button at the right side of the screen. Yeah, the red button is the subscribe button, and then there's a bell button beside it. That is the notification bell. Can you also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every single time I post? Okay, I love you so much. Thank you for watching my video. I have extended my love towards you by sharing this juicy and amazing video with you guys. So can you reciprocate that love by just hitting the subscribe button? It is absolutely free. Just hit the subscribe button right now and the notification bell beside it. Love you guys. Until the next time, Bye.